Hi, welcome back to the channel. We've still got my brother's MGB GT here. I've got a couple more jobs to do. It's suffering from a flat battery, so I've ordered a new battery for it, and I've got that to fit now. And one of the winders for the windows is broken, so I've got a pair of new ones to go on there. So just a couple of little jobs, make a video along the way, and we'll get started putting the battery on. Okay, those of you that know, the MGB battery is hidden under the back seat area. It's quite a tight squeeze. Not all batteries fit in there. The one I've got isn't. It's listed to fit an MGB, but it's slightly taller. But the battery's already in there slightly taller, so I think we'll be fine. It might just make it a bit more fiddly to fit, but I'll get this old one taken out and then we'll see if the new. Okay, that's a new battery, eBay special. Dimensions this way is correct, dimensions that way is correct, and it's I think 20mm too tall, which is fine. I think we've got plenty of clearance. The one that's in there is too tall as it is, so I'm going to get the old one off. Luckily this one's got a handle, so it's quite a tight squeeze, so we'll be able to drop that one in rather than try to get your fingers down the sides as usual on an MGB. So I'll get the old one out of the way to start with. Bit of a tight squeeze, these batteries. Okay, it's actually got a bit of a liner in there, which I've seen on a few cars, which I guess making it a little bit tighter. Okay, so it was a little bit tight going in, same as the old one coming out, but it's gone in, and the height's okay. It's going to sit okay. There's plenty of clearance. That was the only thing I was worried about, was the height. It is a tight fit, but it should be fine. Okay, let's see if it starts. Okay, so it started just fine. I'm just going to change the handles now. So I got these off eBay. Just the chrome window winder handles. It'll be straightforward enough to fit. I've had one of them off already. Okay. Let's say I bought these on eBay. Seems to be the best place, free delivery. think the pair of them were £15, £16, something like that. The standard ones, I believe, on these are just black. And these ones, obviously the racing mode. Bit of bling, bit of chrome on there. It's a little bit nicer. This one on the driver's side is actually okay, but I'll swap the pair. This little gasket goes on the back of the thing. It's a little bit tricky with one hand. I might just set this camera down, make it easier for myself. So this is the one that's actually got the bit missing. But I'm going to replace them as a pair so they match. One thing to watch out for is that you get them both in the same position when the window's up. So, preferably over there somewhere where it's easy to get to. Okay, nice easy job for a change. Okay, that's got a couple of little jobs done on that I wanted to get done. I'm going to bleed the clutch again because we put a slave cylinder on a few weeks ago and it still doesn't feel right. I think still got some air trapped. So I'll need some help with that one, so we'll do that another day. So that's about it really for now. Thanks for watching the video. Have a look at some of our other videos. If you like what you've seen on this channel, click the little subscribe button and give us a like. See you on the next one.